we need a tempo. Starting with drums. We're just gonna roll with that. And we need bass. And it's gonna go C, B, A. Oh, let's just record it. Cool. Now I'm gonna use the awesome K oscillator. The awesome K oscillator. K oscillating. That's cool. Let's just do that. That sucked. I don't have time to play chords on this, so I'm just gonna do a sound effect. This thing's running low on batteries. I think we can make it. Okay, that's it for the K oscillator. I'm gonna cut that and copy it right here. Okay, I don't have time to listen to it. I'm just gonna add the ukulele. So I did a C, B, A for the bass line, C, B, A, C, B, A, then C, B, A, F, G. So let's see if I can actually get that. I'm gonna need to use the headphones for this. Sounds good, let's do it. Sure. I got 1 minute and 40 seconds to record vocals. Let's do it. I have no idea what I'm about to say. I'm just gonna roll with it. Well, I'm thinking about my dreams. That was really pitchy and bad. 120. I can do this. Yo, wake up. We all got dreams, we all got problems, and we're looking to solve them. We all got dreams, we all got problems, yo, and we're looking to solve them. We all got dreams and we all got problems, like who can solve them? It's like you can't stop them. So let's keep going. Now I'm flowing, not really knowing, just taking the next step. Cause I'm believing that if I keep repping, and I do this to my death, that one day, someday, and somehow I'll know how to do it. And maybe I'll find my influence and raise the standard. What's the word for it? Charisma. Gotta know the biz, and gotta call your ma. Tell her that you love her. Say what up to my brother. How you doing, Cody? Making beats and drinking beer. You know how I do. My name is Kyle. Little freestyle. I wanna make you smile, but I wanna make you think. Yeah, I'm on the brink of breaking out. Yeah, that's what I'm about. We all got dreams, we all got problems, and we're looking to solve them. We all got dreams, we all got problems, yo, and we're looking to solve them. We all got dreams and we all got problems, like who can solve them? It's like you can't stop them. So let's keep going. There it is. What's up, everybody? Kyle Jaswinski here. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, definitely hit the subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this, hit the like button. Just hit the buttons that you know you're supposed to hit if you're down with what I'm doing. Regardless, all the best to you and yours. See you next time.